Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of Microsoft Copilot, an AI driven game changer that's poised to revolutionize the way we interact with Microsoft software. Microsoft's decision to integrate Copilot with products such as PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Hotmail, Outlook, and OneDrive will dramatically transform our experience with these applications, making them more efficient, personalized, and user friendly. Microsoft Copilot is set to enhance your productivity in numerous ways. For instance, you'll be able to generate entire PowerPoint presentations based on text prompts and your preferred settings. Then you can easily edit your presentation by giving simple commands to your AI assistant like rewriting text, adding visuals, animating objects, or even creating transitions between slides. But Copilot's capabilities go far beyond presentations. It can draft emails that sound just like you, generate Word documents tailored to your needs, and perform a myriad of other tasks. What sets Copilot apart from other AI assistants, which is also the reason why Google is in deep trouble, is the way that it works. Basically, Microsoft will not just do it by using ChatGPT behind the scenes. No. Whenever you will write a prompt, it will actually first check all your data, whether it is your personal data or your business data. It will go through all your data, whether it is located on your Hotmail or on your OneDrive. Any of the documents that you have. Then make sense of this data and the context behind this data. Then it will run it through the language model, probably based on ChatGPT 4. Then it will run it back through your documents once again and generate that output, which means that it's not just ChatGPT integrated into Microsoft software. By leveraging this data and the advanced language model, likely based on ChatGPT 4, Copilot can create tailored presentations, documents, and other outputs that perfectly suit your requirements. One of the many practical applications of Copilot is generating meeting notes from Teams meetings. This feature streamlines your work life by reducing the need for manual note taking, freeing you up to focus on more critical tasks. By integrating AI into our work tools, we can minimize manual work, increase productivity, and optimize our time and resources. Microsoft's move to integrate Copilot into its software suite provides the company with a significant competitive edge. The integration encourages users to store their data exclusively within Microsoft's ecosystem, such as OneDrive, instead of Google Drive, which in turn allows Copilot to work at its full potential. In contrast, Google, Microsoft's main competitor, has struggled to keep up despite having developed a similar AI model called Lambda much before ChatGPT. Concerns over safety and potential bias have led to delays in the release of Google's AI, causing many engineers to leave the company in frustration. Some of these engineers joined OpenAI while others started their own ventures. Google's hesitancy to release Lambda has proven to be a costly error, as Microsoft has now taken the lead in AI-driven productivity tools. Microsoft has adopted a different approach, partnering with ChatGPT and allowing a select group of clients to test Copilot. This strategy has paid off handsomely, and now even Google users are switching to Microsoft's suite of tools, attracted by the undeniable benefits of AI integration. In the meantime, Google's struggle to catch up with Microsoft's progress highlights the importance of being adaptable and forward-thinking in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Google's delay in releasing Lambda has not only cost the company its lead in AI-driven productivity tools, but has also allowed loss of talent. Now they claim to bring Bard to replace Lambda, but the work is far, far behind Microsoft's. The race to implement AI across various platforms is accelerating. In the near future, we can expect AI to be embedded in phones, computers, TVs, and even appliances. The era of AI-assisted work has arrived, and with tools like Microsoft Copilot, the future of productivity is being redefined right before our own eyes. As AI continues to permeate our daily lives, we will likely see more advanced integration and features that makes our tasks more manageable. For instance, voice communication with AI assistants like Copilot may soon become commonplace, further simplifying our interactions with the software.
Take me to the streets of Milan. I just wanna eat in Milan. Give me all I need in Milan. Red bottoms on my feet in Milan. Here in Milan, I love Milan. Here in Milan, I love Milan.
The integration of AI with Microsoft's suite of tools has far-reaching implications not only for users but also for the industry as a whole. Microsoft's success in incorporating Copilot into its software will likely motivate other companies to develop and release their AI-driven solutions, pushing the boundaries of what technology can do for us. As we witness the dawn of a new era in productivity with AI-driven tools like Microsoft Copilot, it's essential to view this transformation as an opportunity rather than as a threat. This AI revolution can be considered part of the ongoing fourth industrial revolution, which is marked by the increasing integration of cyber-physical systems into various aspects of our lives. Now, throughout history, each industrial revolution has brought about significant technological advancements and new opportunities. Steam powered the original industrial revolution, leading to massive growth in manufacturing and transportation. The second industrial revolution was fueled by electricity, which transformed industries and enabled mass production. The third industrial revolution was categorized by preliminary automation and machinery, which streamlined processes and improved efficiency. Now we are in the midst of a fourth industrial revolution, which is being shaped by cyber-physical systems and intelligent computers. This revolution will continue to create new industries and job prospects, especially in the realm of AI development and integration.
I love Milan. Here in Milan, I love Milan.
As AI continues to reshape the world of work, office jobs will evolve, focusing more on collaboration, problem solving, and strategic thinking. The growing influence of AI will free up time and resources, enabling professionals to concentrate on more significant tasks and hone their unique human skills such as empathy, intuition, and emotional intelligence. It is somewhat humorous that we needed AI to help us reconnect with these innate human qualities and remind us of the importance of empathy, intuition, and emotional intelligence in our daily lives. In conclusion, while the integration of AI into office jobs will undoubtedly bring about changes, it's important to remember that every industrial revolution has led to progress and new opportunities. By embracing the fourth industrial revolution and adapting our skills, we can secure our place in the rapidly changing world of work. By developing and using AI-based products, we are not only enhancing our productivity but also contributing to a brighter and more innovative future. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And your likes and subscriptions not only boost my confidence as a content creator but also provide valuable support for the channel. This encouragement helps me continue to create high quality content that you can enjoy and benefit from. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to sharing more exciting and informative videos with you.